wanted to show you guys this foot massager that I received from the company. This thing has been really nice. Actually, I didn't realize how much I would enjoy this until I got it. It definitely helps with, relaxing your feet. It has a compression on it, which I think is different than some of the other ones. And then it does have heat as well as the massager. It's not like, it doesn't hurt by any means. It doesn't like squeeze or press too hard that you're going to feel uncomfortable. And it definitely, the kneading will absolutely get into parts of your feet that like maybe need some muscle relaxation. I personally can have some pain in my feet, and this really has helped. Maybe you exercise or you're working a lot on your feet, like in a restaurant or a bar. I would definitely grab this if you feel like you have some pain. Like if a foot massage sounds really nice to you, this is definitely going to relieve that and give that feeling. It's really easy to use. You just plug it in. There's the different buttons on here that kind of give you what you need, like the heat, the kneading, the compression. Easy to get your feet in and out, and it's pretty straightforward in the way of using it. I'm really happy with this.